Hello, today we're going to go over how to spawn generative AI art. Press and hold the A or the X button. A is on the right hand controller, X is on the left hand controller. Let go at 2 p.m. here on spawn. Don't forget this button right here, it's a very important one because that's where you have a dash for accessing the entire repositories that we offer you and basically spawn pretty much anything you'd like. So let go on spawn, look always to the left. You can aim and pull down the thumbstick or up to scroll. Choose the top one, generative AI art. And the way this works, this is art that I previously created here. I'm going to create additional art here. Notice that it says here N1, and which is how many different types, given a prompt, how many different pieces of art you want. It'll give you different types. So I'm going to choose N4, and I'm going to click the audio here, and I'm going to start dictating. And then I click on Generate Art. Now notice it says, please wait a few seconds while your AI art is being generated. You'll notice that it'll generate 4 types of the same prompt. It takes a little bit because it has to compute everything, but you'll notice that it'll simultaneously spawn everything. There we go. So it took a little while, and it's going to be up here on the right. And you see that there's flippers here. You can flip the pages from previous art since I've already used a bunch. You'll notice how many credits you have left, depending on which subscription you're on, or if you purchase them from Shop Generative AI. But this is where it'll go, since I had N4, the last 4. Now notice how different each one is, which is the beauty about how it generates this art. I can always respawn it from here, and I can also share it when I go to app.villa.rocks. And I go to, the name of this villa here is January 12. It's also right here inside your library, which is also on the web. And from there you can just download it, and you can share it in any place you'd like, social media and so on. But here in VR, that's where you access it from this tab. Once you have one, you can just grab it. It's far from perfect, but it's pretty creative. You can create all types of exhibits with this art, right? If you really work the system, you learn how it works, you may have some stunning pieces of art that you created, and have fun with it, right? I can spawn a gallery. I can take the art that I spawned, just grab it to make a gallery out of it. I can just put it on the wall, and I can exhibit this art and then have people come and view it. So what I would do is I just spawned a gallery. It could be any building you'd like. You can choose any one you'd like from hundreds of thousands of options. Or you can import your own, of course, or create your own, and then you can just place it like that. And just grab it with both hands, stick it on the wall, click on it. You can read always the prompt that you gave it, and you can frame it. And that's how it works.